Honeybees play a great role in our lives, pollinating up to 1/3 of everything we eat. Honeybee pollination directly shapes our livelihood, so it is important that we strive to help them. A great place to start is in your own backyard. Including bee-friendly plants in your landscape provides food for the bees. To determine what plants should be used in your yard, follow the link in the description below. Letting the dandelions grow gives bees good food, especially in the early spring. Feel free to let the lawn care slip to allow the bees to forage. You can also provide a safe place for the bees to drink water. For instructions on making a bee bath, click on the link in the description. Another great way to contribute to the honeybees is to support your local beekeeper by buying their honey. You can also donate to the American Beekeeping Federation's many funds aimed at helping honeybees. A link to the American Beekeeping Federation's website is in the video description. I hope these tips prove to be useful in helping out the honeybee.